Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. It's another versus. This one is beer versus wine. Now, between you and me, I like both. Well, which ones do you like, and which ones are better for you? For many reasons. Which ones taste better? Which ones are healthier for you? Which ones are going to kill you faster? Well, here's the deal. There are so many different wines in the world, and there are so many different beers in the world. It is really a matter of taste and how they make you feel. Now, to me, beer, as much as I love beer, is full of carbs. It's full of wheat. It makes you bloaty. But damn, don't I love it. I love a good IPA, and here's a video on IPAs. I love a good lager. I love just really good craft beers. If I'm going to drink a beer, it's going to be a really well-made one. But I can't drink a lot of them because, again, they do fill you up. They do tend to be carbonated, make you burp. And especially if you have wheat issues, gluten issues, it's probably not the way to go. But believe me, I love a good beer. Well, let's talk about wine then. Well, wine is as diverse in different styles and flavors as beer. You got your whites, your rosés, and among the whites you have your Chardonnays. They could be buttery, they could be dry and stainless steel, really fresh. You have your Sauvignon Blancs, which are, more citrusy white. You have your Vignes and your Aberones. There's just so many whites, and then you go into the pinks, the rosés. Then you go into reds. You have like mild reds, like Pinot Noirs, which are more refreshing and more brisk tasting. And then they go up to all the way up through Zins and Syrahs and Merlots, and of course your Cabs. As you can tell, I like wine. And if someone put a gun to my head and said, wine versus beer, Mike, you got to pick one, I know I'd pick wine, only because wine agrees with me better. It digests better. It has more. I can't say it has more flavors than beer, because beer is amazing, but I like wine a little better than beer. But again, I love them both, so wow. Moderation, of course, with anything. Not just wine and beer, anything. I love ice cream, but I can't eat 5 bowls of it. I could, but I shouldn't. Anything. So tell me about what you like, wine versus beer. And tell me why in the comments below. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. And keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Now, Sweet Babu wine, Sweet Babu beer, I like them both. But do not mix them together. Do not. Wine mixed with beer. Oh, no. No. Don't do it. Do not go there.